Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into some of the most exciting and often confusing terms in artificial intelligence: generative AI, AI agent, and agentic AI. You might hear these terms thrown around a lot, but understanding their distinct differences is absolutely crucial for anyone looking to navigate a rapidly evolving world of AI. The question is why? Because knowing what each can do help us harness their power more effectively and understand the future direction of technology. So now let's break it down. So let's start with generative AI. This is probably the one you are most familiar with, especially if you have been playing around with the tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. So what exactly is generative AI? Simply put, generative AI refers to AI models that can create new and original content. Think of it as an artist or a writer. You give it a prompt and it generates something that did not exist before. This could be text, music, video, or even a code. So how does exactly generative AI works? These models are trained on a massive data set of existing content. They learn patterns, structures, and styles, and then use that knowledge to produce novel output. They are excellent at pattern recognition and synthesis. So, what are the key characteristics of generative AI? Its primary function is creation. It generates content based on its training, but it doesn't typically perform actions or make independent decisions in the real world beyond creating that content. It's reactive to a prompt. Let's see example of generative AI. Asking an AI to create a photorealistic image of a cat wearing a spacesuit. Next up, we have AI agents. Now this is where things start to get a bit more active. While generative AI creates, an AI agent acts. What exactly is the AI agent? An AI agent is a system that perceives its environment through sensors and processes that information and then acts upon that environment through effectors to achieve specific goals. Think of a robot vacuum cleaner, a chatbot that books appointment, or even a game AI opponent. How exactly AI agent works? Agents are designed with clear objectives. They have a perception action cycle. They observe, think, and then do. They often operate with defined rules or a specific environment. Now let's see some of the characteristics of AI agent. First, they are goal oriented and can perform actions. They are designed to do things, not just creating things, unlike generative AI. They often have memory and can learn from their interactions, which happen over the time to improve their performance within their defined task. Let's have a look at the example. A customer service chatbot that identifies your problem, looks up solution, and then provides an answer or escalate the issue. Or you can think of a drone that autonomously inspect crops for diseases. Let's discuss about some of the most famous AI agent tool in the market today. For simple workflow projects, one can use no-code platform like AutoGen Studio, Flowise, and N8N. Use LangChain for creating complex and multi-agent systems. Platforms such as Google Vertex AI Agent Builder and Dialogflow, which also provide solutions for both coders and non-coders. And finally, we have arrived at Agentic AI. This is perhaps the most advanced and fascinating concept, often seen as the next frontier. Agentic AI takes the idea of an AI agent and supercharges it. It gives a higher degree of autonomy, reasoning, and planning. So, what exactly is Agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to an AI system that can not only perceive and act, but can also plan, reason, reflect, and break down complex problems into smaller and manageable subtasks. It can iterate on its own plan, learn from failures, and essentially think about how to achieve a goal over multiple steps. It's often built upon generative models, using them as a brain to reason and plan. Now let's see how exactly a agentic AI works. Unlike a simple AI agent with a fixed set of actions, an agentic AI can define its own action sequences. It might use a large language model to brainstorm solutions, create a step by step plan, execute those steps by potentially interacting with tools or any other agents, and then also self correct if it encounters any issues. It's about autonomous problem solving. Let's have a look at some of the key characteristics of agentic AI. Autonomy, sophisticated planning, self correction, and the ability to handle open ended problems. It's like having an intelligent assistant that doesn't just do what you tell it, but it also figures out how to do it and what steps are needed. Agentic AI, especially when powered by advanced generative model, is where a lot of cutting edge research and development is happening today. It's moving us closer to truly intelligent and autonomous system that can operate with minimal human interactions. So what can be a good example of agentic AI? Imagine giving an agentic AI the following goal: organize my entire trip to Japan next year, including flights, hotels, and personalized itinerary based on my interest and my calendar availability. Here, the agentic AI would then autonomously research, plan, book, and refine the trip to break it down into many subtasks. Another example of an agentic AI can be an AI that can develop, debug, and deploy software based on a very high level request. So let's understand why understanding these differences are so important. Well, if you need a creative content, you will use generative AI. And if you need to automate a specific task, an AI agent is your friend. And if you need to autonomous problem solver for a complex multi-step challenge, you are looking at agentic AI. Knowing and understanding their capabilities helps us setting the realistic expectations. A genetic AI won't book your flight. A simple AI agent won't write an award-winning novel. We are seeing a convergence where generative AI provides the reasoning and creativity, which then empowers AI agents to be truly agentic, which is capable of independent thought, planning, and execution across vast and complex problem spaces. Wow, it's truly an exciting time. So, what do you think about these different type of AI? Let me know which one excites you the most and which one do you think will have the biggest impact in next few years? Let me know in the comment below. If you found this explanation helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more AI insights, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.